there is a question that comes up almost weekly, almost monthly, yearly. It just keeps coming up and coming up. And the question is, at what distance do you set the cap iron from the cutting edge? The cap iron is what some people call the chip breaker. So we're going to talk about this. I'll refer to it as a cap iron because it's what I know it as. What it is, it's the distance between the hump on the back, the very edge of the hump on the back, and the cutting edge of the plain blade. So I've got mine set, currently, I've got it set for 1/32 or a millimetre. A millimetre is near enough. I can set this distance between the edge and the hump, the edge of the hump, up to 1/8 of an inch, and it'll still cut. So I can work anywhere between that. I usually set it to 1/32, but I'm going to eyeball this for around about 1/8 of an inch, and I'm going to show you something because it'll help you to understand. Now that blade, because it was previously set at 1/32, is going to hog off a lot of wood. So I'm backing my iron off, and I'm just going to show you, because you can get bogged down with this and you don't need to get bogged down with it. Let's put some wood in the vise. And this is set at 1/8 of an inch. So it's taking nothing off. Keep turning until the iron is protruding through the sole. There it is. And there it is. It's taking a very fine shaving, even though the distance is 1/8 from the hump. Now I move it forward very simply. It's not complicated. You just don't need to get bogged down with it. I prefer mine at 1/32 of an inch. There's no rhyme, no reason for it. It doesn't wear the cutting out anymore. The idea of the hump on the back is purely to divert the shaving upwards. So there I am, I'm ready to go, and it's already cutting just fine. 1/32 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch, anywhere in between, it'll work fine.